Musamseleku and Makumalo, they are no longer together. You heard with the Musamseleku says they have got 5 months, 6 months, they don't meet each other. Those people, the first time they meet on season 9 at restaurant, Musamseleku and Makumalo was wearing a blue dress. It's their first time after 6 months, because 6 months they don't shoot the content, so those people, they don't talk to each other. Until now, Makumalo was at Macele's house. It's the last time Musamseleku you've got Makumalo, but now they are going to be together maybe next year on June, because they are start shooting the content. Musamseleku, what is important to him, to Makumalo, it's money only. When he saw Makumalo, he saw money. That's why he want Makumalo to help him in his finances. Makumalo, when she stop helping Musamseleku is not in love with Makumalo, because Makumalo doesn't give him money, doesn't help him. So Musamseleku want Makumalo to want him to own Makumalo to benefit. He knows that when they have got an issue with Makumalo, they are doing it on cameras, so people will watch, they can gain more views, because people will like people will like to those drama. We like drama, most of the people, you understand? So Musamseleku can call Makumalo now, because we didn't see them together. Behind the cameras we see with Mayeni and Macele, but with Mangwabe but doesn't want. But we know that with Mangwabe, behind the cameras, they have got a good relationship with Mangwabe. But with Makumalo, Musamseleku calls Makumalo because he wants to shoot the content and pretend like he cares about Makumalo, pretend like he want to fix things with Makumalo on cameras. But he knows that it's just an act. He is acting. But behind the cameras, that's why Makumalo doesn't accept Musamseleku's apology on diaries. Musamseleku was apologized on diaries, because Makumalo was asking Musamseleku auntie when, because those people, guys, they have got an issue on season 8 last season. Since last season, they cut the cameras on diaries, Musamseleku and Makumalo. Musamseleku didn't apologize to Makumalo behind the cameras, and he start apologizing on diaries. Your husband start Musamseleku says, I humiliated you in front of my wives, in front of cameras, so I want to apologize in front of cameras. Yes, he was right, but he have to start apologize behind the cameras, to beg Makumalo behind the cameras. He doesn't do such a thing, because now he want to shoot content now, you understand? When it comes to guys, Makumalo is the queen. Makumalo is the queen. He knows that without Makumalo, there is no game. You understand? And Makumalo wants money on that program. So those people are on business. The relationship between Makumalo and Musamseleku is business only. Without business, even Musamseleku, when he saw Makumalo, even long time, he was seeing the person who can help him as a helper. Musamseleku was helping Musamseleku since she was starting to be Musamseleku's wife until now. Makumalo stops helping Musamseleku. If Makumalo, we want to see if Makumalo took a decision that I don't want to be on the part of that program, Utando Nestembo, what he is going to react now. What he is going to react. He knows that he is going to lose some of the viewers on that program. He is going to lose some of the viewers, because people, they want to see how Makumalo reacts, what's going on, you understand, to Makumalo, because on Makumalo there is a lot of drama. So Makumalo, one day, I don't think that Makumalo, she is going to be with those people maybe on season 12 or 13. I don't think, maybe season 10, season 11. But what I saw, Makumalo is getting tired. She is going to surrender that program, to say, I don't want to be on the part of the Mseleku's family, and people will stop watching Utando Nestembu, because without Makumalo, guys, people we don't watch, you understand? Musamseleku now, he is start calling. You heard Makumalo, what she is going to say on season 10. You understand? Yes, because Musamseleko was asking forgiveness to Makumalo on season 9 on Diaries because he want to have viewers. You understand? That's why he was asking forgiveness. And Makumalo says, since when those 6 months they are not seeing each other?